Welcome to Not So Creative. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the Italian bind-off, a perfect method for achieving clean and stretchy edges in your knitting projects. This technique creates a seamless, elastic edge, making it ideal for cuffs, necklines, or any project with 1x1 or 2x2 ribbon. In this video, we'll be focusing on 1x1 bind-off, but it is the same for the 2x2 ribbon. Before we begin the bind-off, we need to prepare the stitches with two setup rows. On the first row, knit the knit stitches and slip the purl stitches with the yarn in front. Continue like this until the end of the row. Now, turn your work and repeat the same process. Since the knit stitches are the ones that haven't been worked yet, you'll once again knit the knits and slip the purls with the yarn in front. Now we have to cut the tail, but it is important to leave a long tail of yarn for this bind-off, about 4 times the length of the stitches you're binding off. Should be okay. Thread the yarn through the darning needle and let's begin. To start, we'll be working in the opposite direction of the stitches on the needle. For example, if you have a knit stitch, purl it first but leave it on the needle. Now, knit the second stitch, which is a purl stitch. So, we're going through the back of the loop. This is a tricky one, so let me show you again. Okay, let's start the actual bind-off. First, go through the knit stitch knitwise and let it fall off the needle. Purl the next knit stitch, as we did before. Now, bind off the purl stitch. Purl it and let it fall off the needle. And as before, we knit the next purl stitch. Repeat this process until all the stitches are bound off. Remember not to pull the yarn too tight to keep the edge elastic, but don't leave it too loose either. Finding the right tension will come with practice. For the last 2 stitches, because they were prepped already, you just have to knit, purl and let both the stitches fall off the needle. And that's it! You not only get a stretchy bind off, but also a beautiful finished edge. This technique creates a seamless continuation of the ribbon, enhancing the overall look of your projects. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn a specific technique, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.